Located on a quiet interior Tract street in the highly sought-after Glen Shores neighborhood, this thoughtfully expanded single-story home offers privacy, space, a prime coastal location, and is serviced by Huntington Beach's top-ranked schools. Featuring an extended front driveway, low-maintenance landscaping, and a welcoming entry, the pleasant curb appeal of this home is always inviting. Welcome to 10362 Monitor Drive in Huntington Beach. Come on in, we know you're going to like what you see. Entering the residence, this expanded floor plan offers a remodeled modern kitchen with a Euro flare, nicely sized dining room with a sleek gas fireplace with contemporary tile, and an impressive 468 square foot permitted addition, making for an enormous living or family room that significantly enhances the home's footprint. The efficient layout flows into a well-appointed kitchen featuring exotic quartz countertops, oak cabinetry with self-closing drawers, stained hardwood flooring, a built-in center island for additional prep, cabinets, and seating space, a 5-burner gas range with hood, stainless steel appliances, and a solar tube for added natural light. Just off the kitchen and dining area with bar seating, the expansive living room provides flexible space for entertaining, relaxing, or hosting larger gatherings, filled with natural light from its vaulted ceilings and upper windows, and a convenient sliding door leading to the private, low-maintenance backyard. The private backyard is perfect for enjoying morning coffees, intimate gatherings, or weekend barbecues, with fresh lemon and lime trees for your drinks. The spacious owner's suite has mirrored closet doors and a spacious nook that could serve as a large walk-in closet, a ceiling fan, 3 accent windows in addition to a main window for plenty of natural light, as well as an upgraded en-suite bathroom with a step-in shower and tub, skylight, and a vanity area with mirrors, creating a bright and comfortable private retreat. Down the hall are 2 secondary bedrooms featuring new carpet, fresh neutral paint, and ceiling fans. One of the bedrooms offers a sliding door to the backyard, adding natural light and flexibility. And the other bedroom has a chic closet with custom sliding doors. The full hallway bathroom has been recently updated with a new countertop, water fixtures, a shower tub, and a skylight to add natural light. Additional highlights include dual-pane windows, fresh interior and exterior paint, updated light and plumbing fixtures with brushed nickel finishes, upgraded plumbing, tankless water heater, whole house water softener, central heating and air conditioning, and an attached 2-car garage with direct access and 220-volt capability. Close by, a Revelos Park and Playground offers space for walking and playing, plus direct access to the Santa Ana River Trail, providing a convenient way to cruise to the beach without crossing major streets. This interior Tract home is also close to exceptional award-winning schools, including the Pegasus School, a short commute to world-class beaches, and the fine dining, entertainment, and shops at Main Street, Pacific City, Bella Terra, and South Coast Plaza. Also nearby, HB Central Park, the Library and Senior Center, HB Sports Complex, the Equestrian Center, Meadowlark Golf Course, South Coast Plaza, the OC Fairgrounds, and much more. Easy access to major freeways and PCH. Great homes in this neighborhood and this location rarely come on the market, so please call us for a private showing today. Experience the best of California coastal living all year round. The seller would like to sell the home fully furnished. Please call for pricing.